Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafetu. Yeah, we just played a 1-1 draw with Siwele Bafetu, Orlando Amstel Arena, Namachito Studio to go through the game, Mr. Mlambo. How are you feeling?
Ngimnandi ntanga we disappointed, you understand. We wanted the win, njengoba ngishilo izolo, but ayenzakalanga, so what must happen?
Yeah.
You must still believe, mfethu.
Sure.
For you to be a believer, I'm still saying namanje. You must believe, mfethu. We must win this league, ntanga. Kumele sibe realistic ukuthi Sundowns izoyenzana kanjani. You must still believe.
Yeah.
This is football. Football is life. Anything can happen, mfethu. You must still believe ukuthi lama game lawa said. Let's win them. I mean, I'm angry at the Paganias who have lost hope. Chuku, they are not one of us.
Yeah.
They say once a pirate, always a pirate. In fact, Bonabayin.
Like the energy, Mapagania. Mr. Mlambo is giving us that thing, goes to Mnati.
Sisangumtanzu Mr. Mlambo.
I like the energy, Donna. Positive.
Lena Fitz, I'm not too disappointed. I think we are still top. We are still number one. So yeah, the ball is in Sundowns court. Let's see what they can do.
Let's see what they can do, ne?
Yeah.
Equally so. I'm not really that down on so like that. I don't think Sundowns will win all their games. In fact,
Sure.
football is a game of margins. See, sometimes they'll dominate the game, to completely dominate the game, coast.
Sure.
And then your opposition get one chance. I'm told in danger. I don't think they'll. How many games? Is it 10 for Sundowns?
10
now?
for Sundowns.
Yeah, 10. Yeah. I don't think they wanna win all those 10 games. The question mark now is, are we gonna win our remaining 9? Because if we can win our remaining 9, I can tell you, we're taking this league. In danger. That's how I feel. If it's positivity.
Yeah.
You look like you have something to add there, Ghost.
Yeah, as you are saying it, I thought I was gonna be more confident when you said like, if we win our remaining 9 games, but now it's like, if we win our remaining 9 games.
Yeah, that's $1 million question.
But
Sure.
that's reality now. But I'm still saying reality doesn't matter anymore. This is football. Football is life. Because izinto zakho zingakubhedela manje. Uvuke kusasa upopile. You know why? Because of the process which we have been doing. We've been doing so well this season. Okay, second half there are setbacks. Now.
Yeah.
But what matters now is to make sure we win those 9 games. I mean, I'm telling you, I do not care about Sundowns because in terms of parts of but they are part of the topic now.
Yeah.
I can't take that away. Young Tola Coast.
Sure.
Ubuthandazo bakathakathi lo ujwaha kabushoyo kumele ngibuthandaze makathina what we should focus on it's us because if sizobheka iSundowns ukuthi yenza kanjani they are playing so well in we'll put ourselves under pressure njengoba mase sisifakile igame la izona but yesterday I think we've played so well.
Ne? So Sundowns has been catching up on that. Last 5 games they won all their games.
Sure.
When you look at us in that, it's okay, but this one is not the league. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a lose to Sundowns, a win to Kaizer Chiefs, a win to Polokwane, win Richards Bay, and draw to Siwele. So our form is taking. It's really taking. If you really want to take this in Danga, it must be a www.
Sure.
So Mapagania, we changed the outlook of the show, Mapagania. So we're not going to be doing our player rating anymore. We're testing a new strategy. Our player ratings will be doing it at the stadium immediately after the game. Once we're done with our post-match interviews, we'll call Amapagania that are coming to our post-match interviews consistently. So those are the guys that we're gonna give them that privilege to give us some player rating. Of course, Mr. Mlambo there will always be there with my player rating because obviously we know with some player ratings Mapagania. He show us a studio. The reason we're changing our player rating is that we realized our player rating they take long, and then in our phase you only watch the show for like 15 minutes actually, and then as we go on for like 2 hours, so we realized it doesn't make sense. Let's try and create a shorter version of the podcast. We're still trying it out, Mapagania. You can chip in there with your comments and let us know what we can do, what we can improve on the show. So stay tuned, Mapagania. In store, we have a lot of things to talk about. We want to talk about the game. We want to talk about the coach. We want to talk about the weaknesses. We want to talk about upcoming games until that post-match title race. Our luck is still there. So stay tuned, Mapagania, up until the end. Sancela Bafit. Mr. Mlambo, jumping on to our post-match interviews in Tanga. Who was your favorite there?
My favorite was Big Keeper.
Yeah.
We need abantu because I'm positive.
Sure.
Yes, positive doesn't make life. You understand?
Yeah.
But they give you hope. That's what we need. Now we need hope. For the boys in face to keep on going. We need hope.
Sure.
We don't need someone who to speak udlale bad. Yes, speak udlale bad. Sidlale isikhala la.
Sure.
But does that help us now? Doesn't help. We need solutions. And Beekeeper gave us solutions. We promise the fans or whoever, we Pagania, stakeholders, we're gonna win the league, not we're gonna win all the games. And in Tagaishi, don't you don't need someone who's who coach Yenze, so coach Yenze, so okay, coach Yenze. Is there anything which is going to change now? Nothing.
Sure.
Now we must look forward. Now we must head up and down.
Yeah.
That's football.
Yeah.
Again.
And the boys deserve it, Mr. Mlambo. When you think about it, like already 2 cups in the bag, and
Sure,
giving us Sundowns a run for their man.
Yeah.
There's no reason to be depressed, and be dejected. Go behind the boys. In fact, this is not the time to be sulking and calling each other out.
Yeah.
Focus on the next game. Let's get 3 points.
Yes, sir.
I love the Beekeeper as well. Who was your favorite?
Yeah, I think Lena was gonna say Beekeeper as well.
Yeah.
I think for that positivity as well, alright. In fact, we are still in this thing, in fact, and we are taking it.
Yeah.
It's still ours, yeah.
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 Shout out to other Pagania that came through as well. The likes of Wapjuaha, Pucha, didn't see Tatana,
PhD,
PhD,
Manya
Shefani,
Mapagania, yeah.
all Mapagania of it. Let's keep on supporting the channel. And then mine was that guy, advocate of the mob justice in Tang. So
Yeah.
I think he put it so well in fact too. He gave me a comprehensive overview, young and then of course, as I always say, he caught me by surprise.
Sure.
I didn't think he had so much knowledge when it comes to the game.
That's right.
So moving on to the game itself, Mr. Mlam.
I think Tanga we played so well.
Yeah.
Yangithola, like yesterday I was down. If you go siyakhumbula uPuchabuze wathi kithi, "Hey, bafethu senifuna ngiqede." We told him ukuthi no Puchaba, we just disappointed. You remember that moment?
Sure.
We were not like mesingafuni ukuthi aqede. Nami maybe if amabhakani yabonile, ntanga ubonile nange post match yami. It was just ukuthi yo, we needed the win ngangithola.
Yeah.
Maka yenzakalanga, but like when bangihlele endlini vandag ukuthi come to think of it. What's the use to be depressed? You understand?
Yeah.
And to like we played so well yesterday. 27 chances, 11. Ukuthi nje mfethu we must get like a conversion rate ukuthi ibe mnandi.
Yeah.
Swedele was not there, to tell the truth.
Yeah.
Ghost was there.
Yeah.
They got one chance. One chance from where? From our mistake. You understand? So like khala sikhalelana.
Sure.
Yes, kubhlungu vele sizokhala, but like we still have to believe.
Yeah.
This thing is ours.
Yeah.
I still believe. So the game was not bad, Ntanga. We just have to convert kuma conversion rates. So and PhD has been saying this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you think like that inclusion Nagandava it costed us in a sense of it doesn't have a lot of minutes under his belt, and then he comes in a high pressure game like this, actually expecting us to win?
Sometimes that I'll take it to a coach. Because Soto has been giving us much more than Ndaba. But Ndaba didn't play so bad yesterday. So it's just that mistake.
Yeah.
You make mistake, he makes mistake. Everyone makes mistake, Ghost. Ukuthi nje ukuthi mistake yakhe ibe kuye. Mega ebhadini and the whole is performing. So if Mbata played so well yesterday, were we going to cry? ukuthi ucoach Ntanga kumele ayishintshe into emoshekele like ayimoshakalanga. It doesn't have to fix anything, but ikuyenzakele mfethu. So I can't put the blame on Ndaba. If Ndaba lost, we all lost sonke la. Stakeholders, Babkhoza, the fans, coach, everyone. But coach must make better decisions. But Ndaba played so well for me yesterday. He just had that unfortunate moment ukuthi ayenze mistake, then he goal it figured out.
Yeah. And then I don't have a problem with Ndaba starting the game. I was just asking that because I heard most of Pagania were crying, why is Ndaba there?
Sure.
Mawasa said the same thing, and then that other guy, Kunje Simpiwe, even now he was saying, why are we including this guy instead of this guy? And other Pagania as well. I just forgot them, how did you see the game?
Yeah, no, Anton, I think the game yesterday, we just lacked our conversion. In fact, we shouldn't be going and drawing that game with Siwelele, in fact, to creating so many chances. One so that we just blasting at that ghost guy, Mesa Star, man of the match, in fact, 2-1. I think the boys could have done better, in fact, to finish those chances. Yeah, that's my thoughts on the game. If it just do better, finish those chances. Yeah.
We're very, very, very wasteful, young Zol in danger. Very wasteful, in fact, young Zol. Something needs to change, young Zol. If we really, 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 because for me, if it doesn't change, I don't think we wanna take this league, young Zol. If it doesn't change, we wanna keep on playing the way we're playing, you won't take this league, young Zol. We can see Sundowns on 4 years up to the key, young Zol in danger.
Sure.
Now it's no longer Orlando Pirates that you have been seeing, young Jordan Dinjan. You as well, in fact, you must up the key, young Jordan Dinjan.
Sure.
If it means getting a strikers coach, let it be, young Jordan. Sure. They're complaining about the evidence mahop. They're complaining about Umbutu, young Jordan. We've complained about Radio Man, young Jordan. Sure. So what are we saying now? We shouldn't play anyone because those are our strikers, young Zol. We let Mabasa go on loan, young Zol. Let's get someone who's going to improve those players, young Zol. They always say that Skomota guy, he's on the national team, young Zol. He can't just be there. Surely there's something in there. You must get someone who's going to get that something that is there, young Zol in danger. You can't continue. You can't continue to be giving us these performances missing. I mean, if to that one-on-one, he's supposed to score. At least, if not score, make the goalkeeper work. You can't be blowing that shot. Without no technique. Let's get people who are going to improve these players. Mbutuma as well. I like Mbutuma as a player. In danger. But sometimes it's first touch. I think PhD said it. Sometimes. If you are not effective then on that final third, at least be a link-up play, young Zol in Indians. Far game in, young Zol. If you can score, you can fire us in the game. What are you doing there, young Zol? Bad form from Butuma. I think it's unfair on evidence mahop. But equally so, I am evidence mahop.
Couldn't score.
It doesn't raise his hand, young Zol in danger.
And can I add, like yes, you make a valid point, a striker coach.
Sure.
Player weights, and I want to correct some Pagania or something. I've been hearing them speaking about Mabas, but not as Navarre Ghost. Mabas Wambi. No one cried. You understand? You know why? Because we are playing so well.
Sure.
We believed good to gonna win. Tanga as again kuba namanga. Make me this card that time ukuthi Mabas Wambelana. Uhambile.
To be honest, Mr. Mlamo, I'm a Pagania wakhala.
Sure.
But not njengamanje.
Yeah.
Mina problem yami njengamanje uhambile ntanga. Saying ukuthi why Mabasa hambile in? Is it going to help us?
So I need to Mr. Mlambo, sometimes when Mawasa leaves, we don't know the plans of the coach. Maybe he has a solution. Yeah, you won't cry that much.
True.
But eventually when you see this guy let that guy go, but he really doesn't have a solution.
True.
Yeah. That's where you want to ask questions.
True, that's a valid point.
Sure.
But my thing is, we must be solution orientated. We left with 9 games.
Yeah.
Crying for Mabasa now, is it going to help us, Coast? Is Mabasa going to come back?
It
Not,
doesn't.
no. You know the solution, Loshi, getting a striker coach now.
Yeah.
It can help us.
Yeah.
So crying for Mabasa, yes, it's valid. It's a
Yeah.
valid point. I can't cry about them. But I accept into Ntang.
Sure.
We can't bring Mabasa back because it's on loan now.
Sure.
We must work with whatever we have.
Yeah.
The material which we have, you saw Mbutuma yesterday, Gnale Polara Shang is sent.
Sure.
You know why? If Mbutuma can get his positioning right, can score a lot of goals.
Yeah.
If Squamota can get his conversion rate right, can get a lot of goals. Us getting a striker coach like Abo Penny Makat, it can help us get to score a goal. But I think now it's late in the season. Now what must happen, Fitz? With these boys must work on themselves. Because these boys, mean, must take extra hours.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very point to go to Mabasu Hambi, the Skalangai, but is it going to help us?
Yeah.
Now we must find solutions. Isn't this Caesar? Good to win these 9 games which is left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get you. And Ghost, I remember at the stadium, he said to me, in fact, you know, like there's too much cream in and around that number 9 position.
Sure.
Who said it? And if you put me there, I think I'll score more goals than these two guys. That's goals. In danger. And I sat there and I thought about it. I'm like, if you do this guy is right. If you like, if you have all the cream, Mr. Mlambo. Those guys, in danger. You want to score goals there. I don't know what's wrong with these guys. Very, very wasteful in front of goal. Evidence my hope on fact is being in these situations. In fact, he has experience. In tough times like this, we look at him.
Sure.
He's not showing up. In danger. I don't know what's his problem, but I think the solution, as you said, in fact, let's get a strikers coach. But the finishing is not only a problem. We can't put that only on strikers. Set pieces. We really have to do something about our set pieces. We can't be getting 12 corners. And I'm not saying convert them. At least be a threat, in fact. Not playing a ball, a hopeful ball, hoping someone will get in there.
70%.
When we get in the box, let's be intentional. Look, there's a move that I'm going to go there. Someone is going to shield the keeper so that it doesn't move.
Against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Our first goal from a corner.
Yeah.
Muremi got a ball from Hoto. Then you got a corner. We didn't go direct.
Sure.
We are a big brand. If you remember, remember Pete Vest.
Yeah.
They were good with corners. They did
sure.
not go only direct.
Sure.
You must be able to find things.
Yeah.
You must find ways to score.
Yeah.
Corner, because we get them.
Yeah.
We can't always go direct, expect speeds to score. Can't score for us. You understand? Not in a bad way.
Sure.
Let's find solutions to score these goals.
Football is a game of margins. I'm still saying it.
Yeah.
If Sundowns is that good and they capitalize on set pieces or dead balls,
Sure.
what does it do to your chances? Now you are that good, but you're not doing anything about your set pieces. You want to fall short. Even next season, if it continues, you want to fall short. In danger. So you must really, really, really get a set piece coach. In danger. Someone would hold these guys accountable for not scoring in set pieces. Bujabu said something, and I've been saying it as well. Look, see, management, if it's not in serious, like releasing releasing Mbogazi, and Saleng, and I remember we had like a 15 minutes to 20 minutes argument about it. In danger. Saleng now, as you speak, he's helping Sundowns take the league. In danger. He's helping Sundowns take the league. We gave Mamelodi Sundowns ammunition to head our title hopes. In danger. So that is on management. Let's be honest. You shouldn't be in danger. That Mbogazi move should have happened at the end of the season. Because for me, I believe Mbogazi comes with an extra 4 or 5 points.
3 people.
That could be very crucial when it comes to the end of the season. Then cup finals, it came here. CBC didn't give us anything offensive. You know Mbogazi would have hit the crack or would have done an amazing run and gave someone an assist.
good
Young
pass.
Zol.
Yeah.
Again, I'm coming back to it. Football is a game of margins. Young Zol. I don't see Mamelodi Sundowns giving a player to a European team mid-season chasing the league like this. Young Zol. If not, we don't change our mentality. We will forever be second best. We'll forever be second best, Ghost.
Yeah, Antoine, I hear you, but now on that point, I always back to FIFA. Fan. If the player is getting the move and they want to move, if it let them move. For me, that will forever be my view. In fact, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna say let's hold on to Mbogazi or let's hold on to Saleng because we are scared that we're gonna lose the league if we don't. We have enough quality to win the league. In fact, without those people.
But that quality
Fire
you
is
must
making a
compare
valid
it.
point.
Yes, you must compare it with your opposition's quality.
Is one down.
So, you can't just say you have quality. But if Sundowns have more quality than you,
Then I hear
you're
this.
gonna come second best.
Now we've been crying about defense. Ngosibisi. Take
Sure.
nothing away from Sibisi.
Sure.
But Mbogazi mesingakhali kakhulu ngaye.
Sure.
For Mbogazi to go, there was a gap. Esinayo. Sesikhala ngokuthi kudlala uChabatsana.
Sure.
Nama was against what Fire is saying ukuthi a player should go, but now it's showing like itself ukuthi njengoba uMbogazi akahambile sesinenkinga lapha and the nkinga mesinganayo first season njengoba uSaleng ahambile Saleng is doing wonders. Yes, we want Saleng to be happy, but not we must take our brand first. At the end of the day, we can't let Sundowns to be busy winning the league because we want the players to be happy. The players have signed the contract. So now, if we are spanning, if I'm saying I'm going to sign a contract for 1 year, you must abide to that contract. It's not like you're doing anything wrong. Umbogazi megangahamba at the end of the season. I think now I'm saying no.
Yeah, and then like this thing, it's painful because now we're crying for Chawazani to come in for Podela, and we're not really sure to Chawazani what is he going to give us. Sure. We basing our like it's an emotional decision to say let's bring it can go like horribly wrong. Sure. That shows you that the depth that we lost, like the quality that we lost in that position. Still go back to it, management Buffett. Please, Buffett. If you want to chase Sundowns, they like whatever it takes to take the league. Let's use that mentality. Like let's use that mentality. Look at them. They were fighting for that Ribeiro guy. To not to leave. Those are the guys that want the league.
Sure.
So as if you're going to be nice and say, if you want to do this, then okay, even when he comes again, we shouldn't complain. Sure. I think that's how we want to play it.
Sure.
When we come second best, because those guys want it more than you. It's clear that those guys want it more than you. When you come second, you can't complain, Ghost. If Bona they say I will do whatever it takes to take the league, and then when I say okay, it's fine, Rona, if we are content with what they have, if they want to go, they must go, and then we lose quality, they have more quality. When they win the league and we don't coast, that means you shouldn't complain.
It depends on how you lose it. It's not like we are losing because we let Saleng go.
But because we let Mbogazi go.
Yeah, not really, Ntoana. But it's not like you imagine we didn't win yesterday because we didn't have Mbogazi.
Can I show you something?
But
how many goals did they score when Mbogazi was there? Like I hear how many goals did Mbogazi they scored when Mbogazi was there? And if you remember when we played against Welele, Kukaling, Black Label.
Yeah.
Who scored? It was also almost a similar game, Tang. Siwelele, when they come Escotin, they give us problems. So if we have that special player, it's going to do wonders. I'm not saying if Mbogazi I'm not saying if Mbogazi was there, we were not going to draw.
Yeah.
Anything could have happened. But if Mbogazi was there was something special which was going to happen. As it happened before. That's why I'm saying Nama was, if you remember, VAR. I was saying, no, if a player has to go.
Yeah.
But like that, are you making a valid point?
Sure.
Mbogazi, if he was there, Mbogazi is at Chicago Fire now.
Yeah.
Have you seen what he's doing? Saving crucial goals, playing, creating chances. If Mbogazi was there, things were going to be better, but we can't cry for him. But going forward, we must learn from our
We
mistakes.
must learn from our mistakes.
I mean,
Ghost.
I think like you are reaching. In fact, if Skomota scores that goal yesterday, we win 2-1. We are not even talking about Mbogazi in this
But
pod.
you always cry
no,
about
my
Skomota
man.
not
It's
scoring.
incredible. We are not talking about Mbogazi in this pod. in
Yeah.
fact.
Sure.
One thought. We are reaching in fact, to be wanting to be bringing Mbogazi into this thing. In fact, Saling, when last did Saling play for Pirates out here?
No, Ghost, it's
No.
it's not even about that, Ghost.
Yeah.
I mean, what I'm saying, Ghost, Kir, if Mbogazi is on that pitch,
Saling is on this
Mbogazi
pitch now.
it's way above SVs. Let's be honest. You have more chances of at least taking 3 points than when you have space.
Not
In
that
terms
Spies
of
is bad.
offensive,
Yeah.
defensive, maybe you can say, but offensive, BC doesn't give us anything. Saling, I'm raising Saling because why, Ghost? I'm raising Saling. He's not playing for us. But when you give Saling to Mamelodi Sundowns, guess what?
Giving them
He's
the-
playing for Mamelodi Sundowns, and he's gonna help Sundowns to head our title chart.
As he's
Young Tony
doing now.
Ndinjani.
Donna.
So my point, Ghost, is if Saling wants to leave, Young Tol, you don't have to be nice and say Saling, you can leave now. Say Saling, now we own the title. If you want to go to Mamelodi, at least wait for the end of the season. Then if that move doesn't materialize, it doesn't materialize, Ghost.
No.
timing.
I'm putting our brand
Basically,
first.
it's timing.
Utlwana
Not
ke re
safe.
mo wena, Ntwana, ne?
Yeah.
If Saling wants to leave, he's not playing for us. He wants to leave and he wants to go to an orbit. You don't have a problem.
I don't have a problem.
Yes.
No, my man, relax.
No, yes, I'm
Eh,
agreeing
eh,
with you.
ke- ke- what- what- Mr. Lebo, I wanna jump
No,
on.
we
Yes,
don't
come
want
on.
to
Ah,
go
ke batla-
fans,
ke batla ho
yes.
bontsha point ya ka keng, ne? Whether Sundowns has Saling or they don't have Saling, they will have someone there to do the job for them.
I beg to
One
differ.
tola ke ra ding e
Oh,
jwang.
no, Ghost, what do you know that, Ghost?
Ntwana, Sundowns can go to South America and spend 50 million on a
Rather.
player.
How
One
do they
tola-
go to South
Yeah,
Africa?
they've
Give
done
them
that.
asset from us.
No,
Give
my
them
man,
a
Ntwana,
vision.
Sundowns have been winning without Saling. Ntwana, have they not been?
No,
We're
Ghost,
not-
it's
we're
not.
not
What's
disputing
Ghost? It's
that.
not only about selling.
We shouldn't be
Ntwana,
there
what
with
I'm-
an upper hand
Yeah.
from our side.
Tla
They
ko tjhaele
must-
point ya ka nna ke eng, Ntwana, ne?
Yeah, give us
if
a point, Ghost.
if Saling is not gonna play in our team, he's not impacting our team. One tell or without Saling, we were winning and we were fine. One tell like we were fine. One tell or well, Saling guy. For me, that's immaterial. One tell or if ever I'm fair to he plays for Sundowns or he plays for Chiefs, as long as Ronald quality Rona, that's enough for us to win the league. You can't tell me or unfair to with this season we didn't win the league because we didn't have Saling.
Can I
in
make
Bogas.
you? Can I make an
Ah,
example?
nah.
It's not all Saling.
It's not about. Can I make?
Yeah.
Ebona Arsenal yakho now
Yeah,
is reaching for a league. Once we get the league,
yeah.
can they take Easy or Trossard to Man City? They can't do that. You know why? Because they know if they take them, we're not saying if Saling is playing for Orbit, it's good for us.
Yeah.
Because it's not going to hurt us, Kakul.
Yeah.
Because Orbit, they are trying to
stay in the league,
stay
yeah.
in the league.
Yeah.
But if you give Saling to Sundowns, I'm seeing now, Saling has been doing wonders.
Sure.
And we want the boy to do well.
Yeah.
But he shouldn't hurt us. We as uzwisa ubuhlungu manje.
Yeah.
You understand? So I get your point. Your point is rather them go there South America.
yeah.
Asingabi thina usizo lwabo.
Yeah.
Because now it's usizo lwabo.
Yeah.
Since Saling
not.
arrived and is playing at Sundowns, I think he plays 3 games or 4 games.
Yes.
What is he doing? Trending.
Ghost,
Ah,
if
I
me
mean,
and
I
you,
disagree fully,
if me
Nta.
and you, I maybe in a title maybe of
Something.
street racing, young tall in danger, and then I give you a car,
Or steering.
a car to say to compete with me with this car. It's more fast. It's what. Although I'm not using this car, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna say to if you want the car. Because I'm competing with
Uzola
you.
man-
Go get it American. Let's see what you
Spend
do.
a
Young
cool.
tall. It can even take you, if I give you, you get it now. But when you go to America, it can take you 2 weeks to get it. Young tall. guess what? In those 2 weeks, maybe we have races in between.
Basically, timing.
I'm able to dominate in that period.
Yeah, Donna, but like, Donna, like, Donna, there's
Ah,
nothing.
Donna,
For me, there's
Donna.
nothing.
But I
Zero,
hear
zero,
you.
zero, zero,
Me-
Donna.
mina ntanga
For me,
hear
there's
you.
nothing.
Donna,
Fitz.
Mina
There's
ntanga
nothing.
hear
yeah,
you.
Donna.
I mean, I
You can't
fully
tell me,
hear
Fethu,
you.
you will want to complain or
We're not
we are not.
complaining,
Ntanga, mama, I think that's the point. You can't tell me or you will want to base anything on us not winning the league or us not being successful anywhere. On Saleng and Bogazi's transfers, Donna, for
You.
me, that's where you
Ghost,
are
but it's
reaching.
showing.
Donna.
Ghost,
There you are
Fethu.
reaching.
Ghost, what are
You
you
are
saying,
reaching,
Fethu?
Donna.
Bogazi, Fethu.
But it's showing.
Bogazi.
Bogazi. If I,
Bogazi, we all, you're even complaining about Sbisi, Fethu.
Oring.
Sbisi is not giving us anything.
and there was
complaining.
Bogazi there.
So, Donna, but tell me, Donna, in that, did we consider goal that impacted the game?
Yes,
It's
it
not
is.
only
We
about
didn't.
consider-
No,
it's
that's
not
not
only about
your point
consider.
again, Donna. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. We are not losing because we don't have TLP there. It's not like
We are.
no, my man. It's not like there are more TLP availing. Radutla, no, Antola. We are leaking goals.
but
We are not leaking goals.
Mbogazi doesn't only give you leaking goals out here.
Yeah.
He gives you offensive play. Of
Yeah.
which you don't have a player at the moment who gives us
So
offensive
that's why
play.
we're going to offense now. Let's go to offensive. How many chances did we create?
But we
with that?
did
But
get them.
that's a lot of chances.
if we had Mbogazi, again to now
It's
you
quite
see we had
more
27
chances.
chances.
Yeah.
If we had Mbogazi, maybe we'd have 30 chances.
Nah.
More than these 27 chances.
I
Guess
hear
what?
you,
Maybe
Dan.
in those three,
Donna,
somebody would have
Donna,
converted.
My man,
Come on,
my
Donna.
man.
Come on, Donna.
Mr.
You are reaching.
Last
That's why
time,
you are reaching.
let's
Even
say-
look at,
Donna.
listen to that
Let-
statement.
let me-
Donna.
let
How
me-
you are reaching.
Mr.
Donna,
Liquid,
you are
Mr.
reaching.
Liquid,
Donna,
let's me make
never.
last time we
Donna.
played against last time we
Donna.
played against ULL.
Yeah.
Who scored? If you're reaching, who scored?
Donna, but you
It's
can say that
Bogazi,
about-
how?
Is he the
How?
only player that's scoring? Donna?
Mamela.
We played against
Listen,
Welela, police scored. And then what?
My man. When we played against ULL last time, who scored? Mbogazi. It's not like we did not create chances on that game, but it gave you the element of surprise. Generational talent. In fact, into engeke uyithola.
Okay, let me ask you this question. Good. So if you have like quality players, young tall, in your team, and then you have superstar. When you talk probability, and then you have superstar material in your team,
Neymar, Suarez,
who's more
Messi.
likely to win the game? Are you quality players or superstars? Who's more likely to win the game?
Donna, like, oh, that's a
Neymar, Suarez, Messi.
rhetoric question, Donna. Who's more likely? You'll say the superstar, the team that has the superstars. But Donna, what I'm saying to you here, Donna, Mbogazi left. We still
What is
looked.
Mbogazi?
We
It
looked.
goes
we
back to
no,
my
my
question.
man.
What is-
We still looked good to win the league. It's not like after Mbogazi's departure we were in shambles.
The Ghost,
That's
Ijwalo,
my point.
Ghost,
Ghost.
Ghost.
You
Ijwalo,
can't want to
Ntwana.
base
You
it
won't
on that
see- you
that
won't
transfer.
see- You won't see that
Until we
difference.
lose points.
Like
Yeah.
in one game, in 2 games.
Yeah.
It goes
It's a long
inconsistent
term.
game.
Yeah.
Ghost, Donna, you know this.
Ah,
you just
Donna, that's why
argue
cry
with
you're
it.
right, and we won
Ah,
because
Donna,
if
no,
we scored one
dog.
more goal yesterday and we won that game, Arna conversation.
True.
One
You
shot.
don't have, you
My
don't
man.
have this
Hey.
conversation.
But
Ghost.
listen
Yeah.
to Fire's point.
Aye.
Fire is
Ghost
saying
Nana
it's
doesn't
not,
want to listen.
it's not a short-term thing. It's a long-term thing. Like now, Mbogazi Hambi, the second half, I think we left with 15 games or 14 games. It's not saying it's going to happen, Magete to Kahamba. Like now, we're having this conversation. Because if he was there, maybe something was going to be different. Maybe you couldn't, maybe angeka score a pool.
Yeah.
Because unokuvesa fake nje inyawo lakhe avade there. But it happened. Mina, what I'm saying to you, I hear your point. Food.
Thank you, Mr. Mlambo. At least I know Ghost hears my point as well. Just that.
No,
sometimes
it's not that I hear your point.
No, it's
I'm
fine,
saying
gentlemen.
I don't agree with your point. Not that I don't hear your point.
It's fine,
I hear your
gentlemen.
point clearly, but I don't agree with it. That's what I'm
So
saying.
you don't agree that when you have superstars, you're more like.
I
No.
don't-
Listen.
I
You
already
don't-
answered
can
that.
you give me?
I already answered
Listen.
that.
You already
You got the
agree with,
superstars.
yeah.
No, but I
No,
already
that
answered you
means-
got the superstars.
Ma, you
But I'm saying to
contradicting
you,
yourself.
Agree Mbogazi
Maro,
is a
contradicting
superstar.
things.
Agree
So-
Mbogazi is a
so my
superstar.
man-
Generational talent.
Agree
Sure.
Mbogazi is a superstar.
Yeah.
You can agree.
Saleh
Yeah.
is a superstar.
And SVC is not a superstar.
Yeah.
That means you answered my question.
So yeah, I answered your question long
Yes,
ago. I'm
yes.
saying to you now, maybe you were missing me. I was not saying I don't get your point.
Yeah.
I got your point, but I disagree with your point.
And
But
what
you
I'm
are
saying,
just
no, my
agreeing.
man,
Oh,
Ntwana,
you just agree.
listen. My point was that we are not losing the league, or we are not gonna lose the league because we sold Mbogazi and Saleh.
Fire is not
One
saying
thought.
that, my man.
My man. That's what I'm saying now. We could have won the league still, even if we revised Tibatbao. So we didn't need to hold on to them in order to win the league.
But-
We even letting them go, we could have still done the job.
But
That's my point.
But in your point, I'm saying you would have had higher chances of taking the league if they were. If Mbogazi, okay, let's talk about Mbogazi. If Mbogazi was in this team, we would have had higher chances of taking the league than when we have Mbogazi in that position. Can you agree with me on that?
Yeah, we can agree, but it doesn't mean that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's no need to have this conversation, coach. I think you answered me. And then obviously Ndanga, Tito Masanganya, so like can you talk about Tito?
Wetito. I can't hear you, gentlemen.
Obviously, if he didn't
Mina,
take
I'm
the
saying,
point,
dog, we didn't take the points, but Tito was a vital thing there. Doesn't mean Uguti we didn't take a point. Tito was not special for us. Tito was special. Coach, please respect our players. That's what I'm crying for. PhD, like we begin nicely.
Yeah.
You say you want to score goals, but you're not putting on your top scorer. You're saying, for example, Real Madrid, Ronaldo is there.
Yeah.
You want to win the league. Ungampentsha Ronaldo. You're playing
No, you
against.
can't.
You can't. You're saying you're playing Real Madrid. Ozil is there.
Yeah.
Top assister. Awumfaki. Tito is dead. Yangithola ngiyayisummarize. Tito is giving you everything. Yes, in fact, people are saying whatever they're saying, but they're not saying whatever they're saying on facts.
Yeah.
Fact is saying Tito has played less time,
Yeah.
but Tito has produced. So you said on your last post-match, you saw the mistake which you have made. Ungafaki Tito.
Good
But
point.
now you're studying the game without Tito.
Without
You're
Tito.
contradicting yourself. Who are you? Mfethu, for me, if saying Mr. Mlambo now, tangangiphuza utshwala. Ane? I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Then now saying yaphuza, who am I?
Yeah.
Shukuthi like ngishintsha amakhala, double standard.
Yeah.
Our coach, for the team to win, the coach has to be a leader. I can't say this and act this.
Yeah.
I'm saying this, let me act it. Tito Mfethu is something special for us. I'm telling you, Tito played 8 minutes. What did he do? And people who played 90 minutes, what did they do? That's just my thing.
Mr. Mlambo Mfana, you said it so well, and like coach previous game, we said he himself, not his spokesperson, not his PA.
Sure.
He said it himself that I realized that taking Tito out of the game was a mistake. And so sometimes we make bad decisions.
Sure.
And he goes to the next game. He puts Tito on the bench. And then not only that, Mr. Mlam, he goes on and put Master Chef ahead of Tito.
When last did Master Chef
When we
play?
need a goal. When last did Master Chef play?
We're not saying MasterChef is not good.
What did he do that is so brilliant in the training field to put him ahead of Tito when we need a goal? We need more offensive players. Again, we've been saying it. In fact, unfair treatment on Tito. Tito should be respected, Mr. Mlambo. This treatment that Tito is getting, in fact, is unacceptable from the coach. He came in less than 3 minutes or 4 minutes. He produced the moment. He really should have scored. So, please, coach, can you put Maswanganya?
Can you
Now,
please be a leader?
there's no room for errors, no, Mr. Mlam. There's no room for. Now I'm telling you now, Mr. Mlam. If we throw and lose any game now in these 9 games, the league is gone. I'll say it now. I'm saying if we draw or we lose in these remaining 9 games, it's done. You're not gonna see it's chai. Sundowns doesn't look like a team that is going to drop any points.
Even now.
Again, it's a game of margins. Utilize those set pieces. Strikers put more hours on finishing on the training field. That's my piece, Coach, on Tito.
Yeah, I think in fact with Tito yesterday he changed the game. Fit again, he had a great impact, and I think he deserved more minutes. He could have changed the game for us.
ayibekile ughost.
Unfair mfethu yangizona. Unfair on it yangithola into enjani. So can we move on to Sibisi's performance Ntanga? What do you think about it?
I think he played so well.
Yeah.
Yesterday he played so well, mfethu. Angikhali.
Yeah.
If you remember on my predicted 11, Mengtengen Chabatsan. But he proves me wrong. You know what's the one thing about Sibisi is inconsistent.
Yeah.
But yesterday I can't blame him.
Yeah.
I can blame him or not blame him. Ask him to improve offensively.
Yeah.
He got a chance ngekhona wayithinta nje kancane. Score malaka. Score yangithola Siyema got a chance. Yangithola Siyema got a chance because made it save Sibisi. Iba lapho be alive. Uyibonile le first half.
Yeah.
Cross Siyema header second ball. Sibisi score. Ule yang understand but angikhona ukukhala.
Yeah.
Yesterday he played so well for me. I angikhona ukukhala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not much, and I think beekeeper said it. You not let's not like
Check the bad side.
yes, when he's on the bed, you want to go on and you kick a man while he's down. Yangithola. When at least he improves, yangithola. Let's be honest. If yesterday he didn't make too many errors.
Thatha amaflower
yangithola into
wakho,
enjani.
smooth.
So I don't think it's a flower performance. Yangithola into enjani.
From lapha buya khona.
But yeah, from la we are corner, so I think it was an okay performance. I think he's slowly trying to get to Ifomia previous because we really going to, he's our captain. You can say all we like about Sibisi, he's still our captain. And I'm crying also to him that Sibisi, can you lead your troops in fact? Can you lead your troops? Don't let players make decisions in your presence. Players must consult you before engaging in anything. This thing of going over CBC when you want to take over, not unless they appointed you at the training field that you are the vice captain. But even if you are a vice captain, Mr. Mlambo, and I'm the captain, and then you always want to do your things without consulting me, Mr. Mlambo, I'm the leader of this group, sometimes just talk to me, give me a heads up, don't just do your own things, Ghost, CBC yesterday.
Yeah, I think you guys have covered it. In fact, Podlela improved from the previous games. But yeah, definitely he can still take it higher. But yeah, yesterday not a lot to complain about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything that you want to touch on the game that perhaps maybe I missed?
Yeah, maybe we can touch on Mbutuma just a bit and our striking solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Mfethu, the coach preferred Radiopane when he started out.
Yeah.
And he didn't start too well, didn't convert a lot of chances. But Mfethu now, I'm looking at what we have right now and I'm thinking, can't Radioman be better than Skomota and Butuma Mfethu at the moment?
Yeah. But now, that's a fair shout. Because for me, if it's Radio Man, it gives you a bit of what Skomota gives you.
Aguero.
And it gives you
Aguero.
And it gives you a bit of what Mbutuma gives you.
I'm sure.
It's good if it's link up play.
The problem is one. Our
Yeah.
coach is reactive. I think you've mentioned that. We need a leader coach. Don't be reactive upon, the supporter, they say they do not want Radiopan. Then you
Yeah.
stop on Radiopan.
Yeah.
He changes. Ntanga unamabalabala.
But sometimes I think that's good as well, like to listen to people around you, because obviously you want what's best for. Because you won't be perfect in everything, Mr.
True,
Mambo.
but
That
it's-
Radio Man thing, that's Radio Man thing. Before you come in, he kept it for way too long. Young Tol intention. Radio Man at that time, if he wasn't giving us anything.
Let me
Let's
show
be
you
honest,
something.
Young Tol.
The team,
Yeah,
2 games. 2 games.
yeah,
Ntanga ngithi mina.
yeah,
Mina.
yeah,
Mangisespanini.
yeah,
I'm gonna have mistakes. I'm gonna listen to Ghost. I'm gonna listen to you. I'm gonna listen to my surroundings. True.
yeah,
But I'm qualified to do that.
yeah.
And I'm having my philosophy. When I came to the media first time, I told them about 90 chapter philosophy.
Yeah.
That's my philosophy. I have to practice that. You're gonna hear a lot of noise happening around.
Yeah.
You understand? Which is the cause is hearing that.
Yeah.
But me, I have my plan. I have to adapt to my plan and make sure my plan is working. Yes, it's true. You must listen to every opinion. But me, nispan is some.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Me, know whatever I'm saying, our coach is too reactive from what Ghost is saying, Fire is saying, Nengo is saying,
Yeah.
rather than what he believes on. Pep Guardiola, you can say whatever.
Yeah.
He's gonna play Doku. He's
Yeah.
gonna play whoever because he believes in his philosophy.
Yeah.
That's my saying.
I think I agree with pretty much what you said, and I've been saying it very which is reactive, but I don't want to charge him too much on something. It's like that radio man thing. If it sometimes something is too obvious, it's not
But
even
two
about.
games.
Eh?
2 games. 2 games.
I know Radio Man didn't get 2 games, Mr. Mlambo.
2 games,
Yeah,
man.
Mr. Mlambo.
Dara,
He got a run of games.
Please
Maybe
correct it,
you
Ghost.
you saying 2 games that you lost, but he got a run of games.
Cela ukhumbule ukuthi
Even
uRadio Man
after
udlale
even
nini.
after khona la bamkhipha khona la abuya khona for a few games futhi.
But kanjani?
Young
Cela
girl.
uGhost as correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
After the 2 games we lost,
Yeah.
Sure.
Radio Man was dropped. Noma mfaka mfaka 5 minutes. Then after that he was gone.
Wanyamalala, yeah.
Wanyamalala. Mina my thing is yini into yakhe. Angithi he went to Spain for a pre-season
Sure.
to find his formula. So the formula yena akayenzayo is based on what the fans are saying, or he's having that 90 chapter philosophy which he has.
Yeah.
So if unengo uthi now I'm doing this Ghost,
Sure.
this is my goal, then uGhost sekathi ufire uthi cause ayisebenzise kumele ngiyiyekele. Miskhala ngombatha, he became reactive. He preferred Masindi, became reactive. There is whoever.
So
Yeah, no, yeah.
so are you saying even that Masindi thing he should have stuck to it and say this is my philosophy, this is what I'm believing in?
No, but I'm saying ukuthi izinto like akazibona yena ngathi uzwa ngathi. That's my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some of the things, Mr. Mlambo, I'm just saying, I'm still saying with some of the things, he needs to listen sometimes, because it's frustrating to have someone who's saying my way or the highway, young
Sure.
Zola. He's not listening to anything, young Zola,
Yeah.
because this is my job. I'm the one on the firing line. Sometimes open your ears. I'm not saying make the decisions that you hear outside.
Sure.
But bring them in, sit in with your coaching staff, go through them and see if this is really valid.
Sure.
For me, there's nothing wrong there.
No, I totally agree. Totally agree. And I think our coaching team too are riding you because whenever the fans complain, he does make the changes. But I think now fit to in fact I don't know fit when you put in Butu fit it doesn't give you what you want. Skomota comes Lena. I feel like it doesn't give you what we want. I think yeah now fit to I'm giving a shout for Radio Man.
Sure.
Fair. Fair. Let's try Radio Man, Mr. Mlambo fit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna bring him in on your starting 11?
Yeah.
I'll get to it.
Wanna see
When we get there. Anything that you wanna touch on, Mr. Mlambo?
Next ndanga sibambe.
None. Coast obviously went to the TDC in Tanga. We are not there.
Sure.
You went to cover other commitments that you have. But it was a nice experience, Mr.
Sure.
Mlambo. Of course, you always go there, young John. But every time you go there, if you get something new, whether it be a connection, young John, whether it be a new youngster that is emerging, young John. We also met the Minister of Sports, young John, Katie McCain, young John.
Yeah.
He was in a rush. I couldn't even ask him about that VAR that the minister. And if we see now, the league is going. We're still waiting for the VAR. I don't implement it now. Young John in danger. We saw a youngster there that we gave man of the match, young John. Number 8.
Skipper.
Capitan. Mhlal.
Skipper.
Skipper, young
I
John in
think
danger.
mnandi.
Check it out, Mapagayili. Nice short interview. It's on our socials. The full vision. It's on YouTube, young John.
Sure.
Ghost. You saw Santara in there.
Yeah, in Fitz, I think the TDC games are getting more packed, and yeah, I think we'd love to see that Mapagania. We enjoy watching the boys, and yeah, Albona Fitz, they gave us a good performance. In Fitz, like they set a good tone for the first team, even though they didn't follow suit. But I think yeah, 5-0 performance in Fitz. So I think the captain was the standout, but there were few guys that also had a decent games.
Yeah, because we had a dilemma, Mr. Mlambo, to see who do we give it to? Because that day our striker came, Kabuma. Because before,
Manana, number 12.
is number 2, number 9. The
player
striker.
Who striker? The number 9. Lelang.
It's number 9. Because I think Coast, I think it was Boma 70 minutes.
Sure.
Game says Opera, City, Captain, Elenda,
Captain.
2 quick goals. Number 9.
Then is up always, ne?
No, he looks like Scomo, thank God. But that one is something in him that young God in danger.
The
He's
press,
hungry,
they
man,
hung
young God.
on fire.
Sure.
He has too much hang.
Sure.
In a Scomota, a body
Physique,
structure.
sure. Yeah.
God.
But Komota is angry also.
It doesn't seem
Hey,
too,
Panufana, there's also a boy that deserves a shout. That number 2, I forgot his name, man. The one that was playing left back. Number 2.
The left one,
Yo.
Hey,
Timothy.
yeah.
Yes.
Solid. That boy.
Solid.
Yes.
Yo.
And Gil Pagani, we were.
Gil Pagani, I'm
There are a lot
faith.
of boys.
Yes.
Nale right back, le lokologida.
Yeah.
Noma mengeko, there is this one right back. Has been
Mabenzel.
always there.
Yeah, I
Udlala
saw.
Naborile.
Sure.
Like, there are a lot of boys there who are
A lot of
playing.
boys, ne?
Yeah.
And I like that Waru sometimes goes and watch these boys sometimes.
That's good.
Because I saw the last game
He went
so
there.
and then there were rumor that he's gonna take one. We didn't ever keep him. One is gonna gradually introduce him to the first team. So I just forgot the name.
Yeah.
So
Sure.
beautiful from the boys, in fact. 5-0 victory. As
Chisamba,
well,
ma.
TDC, you are fighting against Sundowns.
Chisampa, ma.
But these young men, they don't have fear. I mean, cool man, even
Sure.
after the interview, Lentoni is straight. The coach is still Yagubo.
And that's why he win, if I remember well.
In TDC,
Angikhumbuli.
I don't know, but I showed him Mr. Mlambo.
Angikhumbuli mina, maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, we'll check it out, but surely you for it.
Sure.
Obviously, Mr. Mlambo, we're playing against TX Galaxy. Our next game, it's on Sunday. Is it Mbombela, ne?
Sure.
Yeah.
That's a good side, but we must remember something. We won MTN dance. Akumbula coach.
Sure.
It was nice, Jensen Bombela. Nakumbula ne podcast too. I
Yeah.
think we had a good time there. I think my boys, they shouldn't be under pressure. PhD said that azama ukubringa le experience back.
Yeah.
Asiletheni ukukhanya ntanga.
Yeah.
Kumnyama ngithi. Let's bring the lights mfethu. Let's bring the lights. Let's remember when we went there, what happened, and then try to execute that kule game esizodlala.
Yeah.
Yes, now things are not happening. But should we not believe? We must keep on believing.
Yeah.
Last time we went there, we won MTN 8. We were happy.
Sure.
Let's try to bring that vibe in Tanga.
Sure.
I think in Tanga we're still going to win against TS Galaxy. As much as Nabo, they are not an easy side to beat.
Yeah.
But they are too good going forward. But at least they lost to one. Ditejan, Lohambe Nombogazi, ngada a Chicago Fire.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, we're going to win there.
You're gonna win, eh?
Yeah.
Coach, coach. Coach, let's go back to basics in fact, Please, let's put Maswanganye there, young sir.
Sure.
Yeah, let's put Diono, young sir. I think one of the Pagania said it. Now we're not participating on KEF.
Netbank.
We're not participating on NetBank, young sir. So I think in most weeks we'll be getting like one game a week, young sir.
Sure.
There's no need to be resting players now, coach. There's no need, in fact, absolutely no need. Every game, put your best starting 11, young sir. That's the only way we're going to win these remaining 9 games. Failure to do so, it's gone, coach. It's gone, and it's on you. I don't know how to lie. You have everything. It's on you, young sir. Coach, the upcoming game.
Yeah, I'm fit to definitely fit to. It's a must-win game. as like all the remaining games. In fact, I think yeah, in fact, the coach must set up pretty much the same backline for me. Maybe just bring in Hoto there for Ndaba. Yeah. And then Podlela I know it's a Kalongo Podlela, but let's keep him there. He's our captain, and I think they say the captain of the ship dies with the ship. In fact, yeah, he must hold the fort for us. And yeah, in fact, pretty much, in fact, Wombats have been fantastic. We need them there. Really, police, we need you on your best form, boys. Yeah. Butu must come out. Whoever starts must score.
Yeah.
We need goals.
You putting in Tito, ne?
I would definitely go with Tito. In fact, I would definitely go with Tito. Yeah, I would go with Tito, Police, and Real.
Tito Police and Real.
Yeah, but Skomota and Butuma there, I think is the
The
same.
only change is not Skomota and Butumi is Skomota, but everything the same.
Everything the same, ne?
Sure.
Now I'm still saying if it's I love Podlela, but I'm still saying Podlela he needs a rest nyana Let's just try and introduce that Chawazani guy,
Sure.
Let's give him minutes, that guy,
Sure.
And then Tito Masanganyi must come back, O2 must also come back. I think let's try evidence. Although he's not really showing signs of trying to get back in, but you can see him, he's exhausted. In fact, he looks like out of ideas. Let's try. Sometimes, Mr. Mlambo, to refresh the team, it brings in that thing, and that guy has experience. In fact, he has seen big games.
Sure.
You must try something in there. So yeah, that's it. In fact, I think in a nutshell, we gave our rating, our starting 11s. Cool. Maybe we can jump to our lock.
Yeah, our lock, I think still pretty much the same. We'll just be moving from 29 games to 30 games. We didn't get the correct prediction. Sonkes predicts Orlando Pirates win, so we are not getting any points. So Sahle Lufaya got 30 points, Ghost 28, Umkikreshi 26. Number I'm last.
It's there.
It's predictions now, ne?
Yeah, against TS Galaxy.
Against TS Galaxy. 2-0 win for me.
TS Galaxy no clue, man. 2-1 Orlando Pirates.
2-0.
2-0.
Sure.
So you're now predicting 2-0 pair.
Hey,
no, that's why it's ish. Like, you see, we're getting a lot of chances, but we're not scoring.
Yeah.
And it's hard to score us.
Ne?
Yeah, so maximum 2.
Yeah. It feels different, not having a rivalry, a crowd.
Let's take it.
Yeah, but that's the end of it, no Pagania. You must let us know if you enjoyed the podcast. Ghost, do you at least an hour there?
Yeah, we are almost there.
Yeah, an hour it's right. That's it for me, Mopagani. Mr. Mlambo.
For me, Mapagani, I'm still saying this. Dreamers don't give up, Ndang. We don't check reality, Ndang. We're innovative.
Yeah.
We still trust, like in something we should believe in. Must not like, yes, Ndang, things are not happening our way. So when in your life, when things are not happening your way, you give up. Must not give up. We can't take it away. We must just believe. Keep on going to the stadium, supporting the boys, supporting the channel, liking, sharing, and subscribing. No, as much as Abantu Batin, we won't give up. We'll still give this content and make sure we see that Kipagani you win the league. Thank you.
There you have it, Mapagani. Coast.
Hi, we value Mr. Mlambo. Why rapper up? Singavala Mapagania. Opa.